my new pistol. So it's a Turkish made FX9 single action with safety lock. And it comes with 2 magazines. With extra grips and cleaning kit, and of course user manual. Thank you for watching.